So the very first thing I want to say, guys, is as far as making money on the internet just by typing, I want you to know that you don't have to be good at vocabulary, grammar, spelling, be an excellent writer, because in reality, all these skills you just build over time. Like, I was terrible at all those things, and 1,000 scripts later, making videos on YouTube, like, I just got a lot better just by doing, okay? Now, I know you're probably wondering, Tommy, how much money are these little jobs actually gonna pay me? The answer is they can pay you anywhere from 50 bucks per job, 150, 200, 300, or for example, they can just be an ongoing per hour thing where you make 15 bucks an hour, 20 bucks, 25 bucks. It all really depends on how much work you're actually trying to do. Now, by the way, just remember, as you watch this video, I'm giving you 5 ideas plus 4 as a bonus at the end of the video. But overall, if you want to make the most money, most likely that's going to be the most difficult way to actually do it. However, if you just want to make some fast money, then most likely it's going to be pretty easy. But most importantly, you're not gonna make a lot of money, all right? Because it's very easy. If someone can do it that easily, you're probably not gonna make that much. It's just how it works. But what I would recommend you guys do, right, is pick one that you have a lot of potential for, but then pick one where we can actually just make some money right now, so that way you make some money right now while you're working on something bigger later. Now, obviously, there are 3 skills you need to have as you watch this video, and that's first, you gotta be a fast typer. You get better at typing fast as you keep going. And by the way, there are YouTube videos about how to be a faster typer. That's important because your time is valuable and your money, well, your money is time. Is that how it works? You get what I'm saying, okay? On top of that, you actually wanna have some interest when it comes to writing, because if you don't have any interest and you just want money, not the video for you, because you're going to get bored, you're going to be miserable, and I don't recommend it. And then third, you wanna be a good writer. That means grammar, vocabulary, spelling, but that all comes with time and practice. And by the way, if you are just good at speaking and you don't really want to type, the answer is there's software out there where you can just basically speak and just talk, and it basically writes everything out for you. And I also use an app, have been, well, not an app, an extension for like the longest time now, like years. That's basically Grammarly. With Grammarly, not an ad. I just used them for a long time. I just use Grammarly. With Grammarly, it basically just corrects everything I do. It makes my sentences like a lot shorter and condensed. It just makes it better, okay? So Grammarly is what I use if you want to get good with grammar and you're not that good right now. Now, let's get straight into this video. As always, guys, like, subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified. And the very first idea is going to be, yeah, you can actually make money on the internet basically just writing app reviews and also product reviews. Now, about a year ago, we actually did this on our channel where basically there is a website, it's called Amazon Vine, and there's also, for example, Usertesting.com. Those are your 2 websites. The links are down below, by the way. But the answer was, it was so interesting because we were able to basically just get products for free from Amazon and then basically write reviews if we liked them, if we didn't like them. Everyone was honest, obviously. Not really. People lied just to basically get more products. But then you write the reviews on Amazon, you get paid for the review, and on top of that, you get to also keep the items. So it's kind of like a double business where, hey, I get paid to write a review a few dollars, and then, well, sometimes it's like cents and like dollar, okay? But then you also get to keep this product that might cost $13, $50, $40, you can grab it and just resell it on eBay or back on Amazon potentially and make some good money, okay? So that's a great way. Now you can also, for example, yeah, test out different websites and then write reviews on them. What did you like? What didn't you like? Or is it buggy? The answer is links down below. Now, I do have a warning for you guys, okay? You want to be careful because there are a lot of scam websites out there where they tell you, hey, if you order this Amazon product, you buy it, we'll give you the money via PayPal, and then you write the review for us. But then they do like a chargeback on PayPal, and then you kind of get the product you didn't want, and then you're like already wrote the review. So be careful. That's why I recommended 2 websites. That's basically Amazon Vine, which you kind of have to, it's a process to actually get into it, and then you have Usertesting, which is also a process too, okay? But these are legit websites, and that's why I'm giving you legit websites. You want to experiment? By all means, go experiment by going on Amazon, well, going on Google and typing in Amazon review products jobs, okay? And you'll get a few of them right there. Now, number 2, guys, is going to be copywriting. Now, that means copy and writing, not copyright as in the sense of like protecting intellectual property. Now, copywriting, by the way, has nothing to do at all with grammar, vocabulary, or being a good writer. It just has to do a lot with, for example, you being able to influence somebody via text, because copywriting is you writing copy or just text, for example, for the sense of marketing and also sales, okay? That's all it is, an advertising. So basically, if you ever see an ad, I put a few pictures in the actual video right here. So if you ever seen an ad like this, like with a dog or people trying to sell a product, the answer is that is what copywriting basically is. Whenever you see, for example, you're on Facebook and it says, get this right now, limited time offer, a copywriter went ahead and made that text to try to influence you to actually go ahead and make that purchase. Whenever you're walking and you see, for example, a big sign saying, hey, 50% off, or treat your cats the right way, or give your cats a better life. Like all those texts that have to do with influencing you with advertising and marketing have to do with copywriting. So obviously, what I recommend you guys to do, by the way, first, obviously, this is very important. You can make anywhere from $40,000 to like $6,000 a year. This is like a full-time job, okay? So it's a job, real job. You can find these jobs on Upwork, on Indeed, and all that stuff, okay? But it's actually pretty interesting. So all you have to really do is go read some books on marketing and influencing, or take a course if you want to, or go to college on it if you want to. I don't recommend college that much, honestly, right? If you can't afford it. But the answer is you can actually do these jobs and get very good at it and make very good money, like full-time money. But obviously, it's difficult, it's hard. So basically saying, the harder it is, the more money you make, but obviously it takes a lot more work, okay? So you gotta be willing to actually do the work. Now, number 2, guys, is going to be ghostwriting. Now, ghostwriters, there are a lot of different jobs getting you paid from $100, $150, $200. There are a lot of jobs when it comes to ghostwriting. And the overall idea is, let's say somebody wants to get their story on paper and they don't know how to write, or they don't actually want to write, or they're lazy, or they just don't want to do it, then you can be like the ghostwriter. You write the actual story, you write the book, you write the articles, you write the blogs, you write everything basically. And although those people are the faces, you're the one that's actually doing all the work. And you hear a lot about these people in music, okay? People that basically write the music and then Beyonce sings it. Beyonce takes the credit, but the ghostwriter actually did the music, you know what I mean? So that's what ghostwriting basically is. So if you go, for example, on Upwork, you go on Fiverr, you go on Indeed, not really Indeed, I didn't really see much on Indeed, but if you go on these websites, you can basically find a bunch of different gigs for ghostwriting. And by the way, when I say like, I can't really tell you how much you can get paid, because again, you can get paid a lot of money. Like imagine being the ghostwriter for, let's say, for example, David Goggins, okay? That guy was a beast, but not really a writer. And I think it was David Scholznex, I forgot the guy's name, okay? But he has a very weird, distinct name, I should say. But he's the guy that wrote the actual book for David Goggins, I think it was, okay? And with David Goggins' input, obviously, and they work together. So ghostwriting is not like, oh, this guy is not good. It's more like you work conjunctly with somebody to create a better product because that person has a more developed skill than you do. So you can get paid a lot of money, but you can also just get started by writing articles for people and get paid some money. So the good thing about this one is it has levels to it, so you don't have to like wait until you find something big. You can just do small gigs and make some money right now. Now, number 3, guys, is my favorite, okay? And I'm actually working on it right now, and it's actually blogging. Now, think about it like this. People often don't like this one because in reality, when you think about blogging, it does take some money in the sense that if you want, well, there are free ways to blog, okay? There are some free ways. So type in, for example, on Google, free ways to blog. You'll find a few of those, but the way I'm doing it right now is kind of like, okay, I registered a domain. So now I have a domain. I build a website. I link them together. I start writing articles. Those articles basically create for me traffic. The traffic is the people that come in to actually read the content I created on that website. Once those people are there, I can have products to actually sell them. For example, for me, it might be courses, it might be books, you know, because I'm like a finance guy, right? So that's what I might do. Or for you, it can be, for example, if you want to write reviews on books or Amazon products or iPhones or whatever you want to write reviews on, or you want to build a business? The answer is, once people, again, it works like this, okay? You have a place. You create content, you optimize that content to be, for example, SEO optimization. It's basically optimizing the text and the actual website to make sure it gets higher ranking as far as on search results, okay? Look that up on Google before you start blogging, by the way, or on YouTube, how to optimize a blog or SEO optimize a blog to actually rank higher on the search results on Google. That's very important. But the answer is, you create the content. That content helps somebody with their problems. Those people come to the website. Those people are the traffic. If you're also offering a product or affiliate links, which, by the way, affiliate links are basically when you go, for example, on Amazon, you register as an affiliate associate, and now Amazon lets you use their links, and when people buy products with those special links they gave you, you get a piece of the profits. Or let's say I have a book and you're like, I'm gonna go ahead and review Tommy's book, and I give you a special link, and whenever somebody buys that book, I also give you 20% of the profits, okay? So blogging is so cool because there are so many opportunities, but I gotta warn you, because when it comes to money, there are people out there that make millions of dollars a year. But there are people out there that don't make any money. So obviously, there has to be a massive learning curve to actually doing it. Now, there's a book on it that I have not read, but I found out is one of the best ones out there, because when I searched up best blogging books, guess what I found? A blog about blogging that told me the best blogging books that also had affiliate links to actually make money for the blog, okay? Pretty cool stuff, okay? Now, the book is called Blogging for Dummies. And I actually have a For Dummies book right here. That series, man, these people, they must make so much money, right? Like For Dummies series, like I have an accountant For Dummies series stuff, but you also have one of these for blogging. And I'm gonna put the link down below. You can actually get it if you actually want to. Now, the last one, guys, is going to be Captions, translations. And translation basically means if you know more than one language, you can do from Spanish to English, you can translate that text, because, by the way, you can't just put it in Google Translator, because a lot of times things don't translate that well. You also have, for example, audio to text, or, for example, speech to text. I think that means the exact same thing. But the idea is fairly simple. Whenever you're doing mundane work like this, in my personal opinion, where basically you're basically captioning things, and captions basically means you're adding text to what people are basically doing at the same time, okay? So whenever you're doing something like this, kind of like very repetitive, very robotic work, in reality, it's easy to do, easy to get started. You can find these jobs on Upwork and just like Fiverr and just like basically everywhere on the internet, and you can make some good money, but in reality, you're not gonna make that much money. And usually, you're gonna get paid like maybe like 75 cents, 50 cents, you know, like per word, something like that. No, a lot less potentially, maybe like more like 10 cents per word, because I saw like an article earlier that said like $4 or $5 for like 100 words. So yeah, it depends, okay? How many words you're actually doing, the quality of the work, right? The budget of the work. So you want to go out there and you want to do some reviews. But again, when the work is mundane and anyone can do it, usually you're not going to get paid a bunch of money. So keep that in mind. But yeah, captioning work is actually pretty cool. And some websites, again, it's just basically Upwork, and just basically Google it, and you can find a bunch more. Now, here are some bonuses if you made it all the way to the end of the video. Now, if you made it all the way to the end, I want you to comment down below right, and also tell me exactly which one of these ideas is your favorite, okay? Now, here is the bonus, okay? Bonus is, we have here, you can write articles for people. Kind of like being like a ghostwriter, but it's kind of like me, right? Like I have a YouTube channel, I have a bunch of videos. If you told me, Tommy, what if I wrote articles for you? Like based on all your videos, I put that on your blog. That would be pretty cool, right? You get paid for doing that. Number two, write scripts for people. People that want to make content, but they don't know how to script it. They just have ideas here, but they don't know how to link everything on paper to make better content. You can also have customer service, okay? Via text. You know, whenever you message somebody on Amazon and you're like, I need customer help, and they text you, that's also a legit job. You can go to Amazon Jobs and find some of those right there. And lastly, you can do social media help. It basically means like job postings. Well, not job posting, more like social media posts. Like if you're gonna post something or answering comments, like anything that involves text on the internet, you can basically do it as far as social media. But guys, that is it for this video. I hope it helped you. It gave you value. Remember, just try one out. See how it goes for you. Start small, and then you build from there. Now, if you want to do something like blogging, which takes some time to actually grow into a business, you can also do it, but do something else at the same time that makes you some quick money, so that way you make some quick money as you're growing in your knowledge. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified. Comment down below any questions. Up here is another video. Over here is my face. Subscribe. And as always, long-term team officially